No woman, no cry.
That's it.
No woman, no cry.
What's up, good people? Welcome to Claudia Works YouTube channel. And guys, guess what? I'm coming live from this beautiful place, this beautiful environment. I don't know whether you can see it clear. And guys, because of yeah guys, this is Kibera located in Nairobi, Kenya, Africa. And guys, guess what? Today I'll be taking you around. Let's see if the place is so nice for people to visit. You know, I'm scared. People think that this is the most dangerous slum here in Africa. But guess what, guys? I want to prove you wrong. So guys, on today's video, I'll be going around interacting with people as I always do. And to my to people who are watching for the first time, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I know I'm talking too much anyway. If you're watching my video for the first time, make sure to subscribe. Take this girl to 5,000 subscribers. And guys, guess what? Am I clear enough? So, and guys, guess what? If you are returning subscribers, thank you so much. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Yeah, say hello. Yeah, you want another seat? So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia Works, for those who are new here. And guys, guess what? Today I'm coming live from the streets of Kibera, guys. And remember, Kibera is known for many things, man. Kibera is known as the most dangerous slums here in Kenya, Africa. But guess what? I don't know whether it's true. So I just want to go around and interact with people. And no, you know I'm a Jamaican girl. It's not like I'm a Jamaican girl, but you know what? I hope you're gonna love this. So guys, if you are watching for the first time, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm Claudia Works. Returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming to support this beautiful girl here. So let's explore this place together as we enjoy the streets. And here with me, I have Gosi Africa. And Elijah, who will be my tour guide over there. And we have some amazing kids here. Say hello. Hello. So guys, this place is just a vibe. I don't think I want to know if the people from this street know about Jamaica. So from this side, I think I'll be going to this side, and I can see someone coming here. Hi, how are you?
Black Geo with Claudia Works. Welcome, welcome. I finally made it to a channel. Like and subscribe, definitely.
Okay, this is Claudia Works. Now I have a question for you. Okay, this is my first time being here in this. Do I call it a slum or
I call it home.
Home. Oh, this is your home.
Call it home.
Okay, I want to know if people from this place know about Jamaica. So what comes to your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
I hear Trench Town. Just like Bob Marley where he was from. If you see where we're standing.
And we have a beautiful lady here. Hi. Another one is here.
So Bob Marley, Trench Town. Where do you think we're standing in? This is a real Trench Town, Kibera. These kids are part of history. So what I feel is just the essence of black history, black life. What can you love better than this? Feeling the energy right here. This is all authentic. We didn't ask for this. We didn't call nobody. They came and got us. This is where we work.
Oh. Yes. Okay. Do you think Kibera is safe?
It's very safe. I think anywhere that you see a black person, you should feel safe. So first time I came here, I may have felt like you felt. Nowadays, like I said, Mimi Ningambani. This is my home, okay? This is my home now. So anybody should come to Kibera. It's a place you gotta see in this country. This is the real essence of Kenya.
But we can hear from your accent. Are you been raised here in Kibera?
You know what I'm saying? Well, you understand. I also live in Jamaica, but I'm West African first. L-I-B. Shout out to Marwa. We out here in Trench Town, the real Trench Town, Kibera. This is the place to be.
Oh. Yes. So guys, let's continue with our video. I hope I'm safe and I'm gonna enjoy everything in this street, guys. Let me show you the view. Oh, I don't know whether you can see the view so good, but this is Kibera Street, man. Oh, let's. Okay, and here with me I have. Hi.
Yeah. So today we've just done a very small part of the tour. Yeah. we've just gone straight to the school, although we usually different places, but we are just going to do just a part of the tours of what we always do.
Okay, I want to know if people from this place knows about this country known as Jamaica. So what comes to your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
Jamaica, you know, different perspective. Mostly for us, reggae music. Yeah. For Leo, maybe when you hear about Jamaica,
Jamaica.
what comes to your mind?
Jamaican Jackie.
Jackie.
And also just the positive vibe, you know. Yeah.
Can you name like 5 musicians, reggae musicians from
Kingston.
from Jamaica?
5 or 10.
Peter McIntosh.
You can hide.
That's reggae. Yeah, Joseph Hill, Culture. Ziggy Marley. Yeah. Bob Marley. Jackie, Vibes Cartel.
That's the Bob Cartel. He's out of prison.
The guy is coming out soon. Is actually out. Yeah.
He's out.
And we wish that the first concert is going to do is will be here.
Be in Nairobi.
In Nairobi.
In Africa. Yes.
We've got the legend himself, Buju Banton.
No, before you have mentioned like 6 or 7.
7.
No, can you sing for us one reggae music? I'm here to assist you. Oh.
No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry.
The vibe at the ghetto.
It's just an amazing.
Yeah.
I don't know why most of the people here coming here. Yeah, go subscribe. Oh,
Nice.
go subscribe to my channel.
Claudia walks.
Claudia walks.
Black Geo.
Claudia walks. Go see Africa and we have Black Geo. Okay.
The new generation is coming up.
Yeah. So guys, these are the streets. Is it the streets? My security is tight here, man.
I want to show you something. This is electricity.
So
Really? Guys, this is the electricity here in this beautiful, it's a beautiful place anyway.
So the only danger we have is electricity. You know, because the connections are done. Yes, we're happy that you have electricity, but the connections are done poorly done. So you can see the wires running around.
These are
So
the wires,
these are
guys.
not for hanging clothes. Don't mistake them for hanging clothes. These are for electricity.
Guys, if you come to
Habari ya wewe?
Salama sana.
Habari ya Damian?
Yuko salama.
Damian yuko salama?
Yuko kabisa.
Haya, msalimie na usalimie shosho yake.
Nitamwambia.
Sawa. Haya.
I'm coming, nakuja. So guys, if you come to this place, don't mistake it. These are not hanging, what do you call them? Hanging lines, eh? So guys, we are still going and this is what the place looks like, man. Despite of it looking like this, the place is so secure. People are the most welcoming people here. They are so loving. They have given us that support, man. Hi, mommy. How are you? You're good? Whew. Guys, I'm inside Kibera, the most dangerous slum here in Kenya, Africa. But I don't know why people say like that, but I don't know how dangerous it is because you can see I'm working, interacting with people.
Also, mind your steps, eh?
Yeah.
Hey, you go first, superstar.
We don't want you for
I don't need you. Yeah, you go first.
So this now is inside the area.
You
know?
So we are inside Kibera.
Yeah. So you can see we've got different, like we told you, we've got different kinds of houses. So
Muddy houses, we have stone buildings there.
And then we have this.
We have
the corrugated iron sheets.
Yeah.
So depending on how much you have, you can either choose. Yeah. For the iron sheets, it's cheaper.
What about the muddy one?
The muddy houses, it's quite, let me say, it's affordable.
It's affordable.
But for the stone ones are quite on the high.
Oh, it's a bit expensive.
What is more expensive between this one and this one?
So this, it's cheaper because you like the amount of material you use is not that much. Yeah. But for this, it can be cheaper, but it's on the affordable side because
That is the muddy house, man.
that is the muddy house because you don't have to buy you don't have to buy a lot of material, but for you to get the mud, it requires a lot of digging and a lot of lifting of the soil to where you are going to build.
Mud. It has to import it.
Yeah, you have to get it from that
mostly
end.
close to the forest.
Yeah.
Okay.
The radio.
Yeah, and then you have people to carry it to where you're going to build.
Oh.
And this one is too expensive because you're using a lot of material,
Uh-huh.
and the material is not cheap. So the landlords are always trying to also see on a way they can also get something like a profit from the houses.
Okay.
Yeah? Compared
So-
to the number or like
so
the amount of material they use.
The rent, huh?
Yeah.
Is it the same or it's different? Like, can you pay the same rent the same way you can pay this one and that one?
No, it's actually different.
Oh.
Yeah, this one is affordable, and then this one, and then the blocks.
Oh.
So the blocks are quite expensive.
Okay. But it's expensive, but people can still afford.
Yeah. Buddha.
Now the story is,
Uh-huh.
the good part about it, people are living happy.
Yeah.
Africa.
Guys,
Living happy.
one thing I've noticed about this place, people are ever happy. Hi, mommy. Oh, you can see, man.
Yeah. They keep smile.
Hey, people are happy, man. So,
Ana hawa.
Anna Hawa. So, Elijah, being our tour guide, he's taking. Let's go. He's the one who is taking us around. It's my it's my first time, guys, coming to this place. Yeah, and guys, look at this. Their houses are gated. Huh?
So this is
These are what?
these are pipe.
Public.
So we had a project that was started by the NYS.
Hi, bro. How are you? Just come say hi to my fans. Oh, he is on a call. Sorry for that.
So it's the NYS project whereby they wanted to build. They wanted the area to like the people to have easy access to toilets, yeah, and also easy access to showers. You know, because
So someone like me can get.
yeah, you can just come. Though this one is not yet open, but we've got so many of these that were built around. There was this project that was started whereby youths were being called to. Ilikuwa inaitwa the project ya watu kufagia mtaani.
Ilikuwa inaitwa
There was a project.
utumishi. Not
Sasa.
ilikuwa inaitwa aje?
So there was.
Yes, that project. If I remember the name, I will put it here.
Yeah. So that was the project that came up with the idea. And for that we've got so many toilets and so many showers. Mzee, Jadwong.
Jadong, how are you?
I'm okay.
They are happy.
Yeah, so you know, back then, like 10-15 years ago, we didn't have enough toilets and showers. So what used to happen, this is a big story, you can even find it online. We used to have this thing called the flying toilets.
Oh, the flying.
I can see the faces. People have heard about it.
I want to hear the story.
I think, guys, I can show you the flying toilet so that you can
You can see.
You can see.
You can see.
So the flying toilets is whereby, you know, we didn't have enough toilets for people living in the area. So it happened whereby if you are pressed, yeah, and you need to do number two. Number two is the long call. What you do is that if you had a polythene bag or just a bag, you know, you could do your stuff in it and then walk to your door, yeah, count to 3 and let it fly.
Oh, but did
So
you
that's
somebody?
that's flying toilet. So
Yeah.
I'm lucky that I wasn't among the ones who got hit because I survived all that, yeah. So for those people who got hit with that, we are really sorry. But you also survived, you know. But out of that, all that situation and everything, came this.
Oh.
Yeah.
This is a toilet, man.
So that's why we don't have any more flying toilets in the area. We've got so many public toilets, yeah, so that people can, like, if you're pressed, you can just come, do your thing inside there, and then just go home.
Oh, that's good. It seems that Kibera is growing.
Yeah,
It's
we're
advancing,
growing.
man.
We're
Let's keep
growing.
on working, man. I hope you're enjoying this video. Make sure to give it a like. Make sure to subscribe. Yeah.
Be careful.
Okay. Oh, Kibera is so big. Look at that. It's very huge, man. Let's follow this route, man. Sasani, mko fiti? Mnacheza? Sawa sawa. Anacheza banta. Banu. So guys, I have to face like that because of the sun. Sun's too much. Where are the rest?
Where are those two?
I don't know.
So I think we lost 2 people. Let me just grab them before they go far.
I think they have gone like this. Oh, they are there. So guys, I'm having fun. I'm enjoying this beautiful place. Not what people think. Not what people think.
It's not always what people think.
Yeah, it's
You know,
a safe place. People think that this place is the most dangerous slum in Kenya,
Well,
Africa.
well, it's all about the mentality that was instilled in them when they were young.
Yeah, true.
So people grow up knowing that Kibera is not a go-to place. Yeah, but they should also still remember that people live here. You know, and people give back here. You know, and it is a place where we are also doing big things. You know, yeah. We've got
I've seen the beautiful roads over there. Let me tell you one thing. Kibera is not for the poor. Let me tell you. We have beautiful apartments over there. We have other, I don't know what to call them. People are rich here. Let me tell you.
You know what I know is that you don't judge a book by its cover.
Yes. So until you come to Kibera, that's when you can prove us wrong.
Then someone will ask, you are rich, why are you living this life?
So it's not about the life.
It's about happiness.
It's about
It's
happiness.
about what comes with the life.
They don't, but there people here don't fake. Do you know that it's only in Africa whereby people don't depend on credit?
Yeah.
Yeah, in
Actually,
Africa people don't live on credit.
No. It's a cash to cash basis.
Oh.
Yeah.
Credit, I don't think we can even survive on credit.
Let's keep on going, guys, as we enjoy this beautiful place. Oh, you can get your veggies, nyanyas, we call them tomatoes over there. People are living happily. You can see they are taking photos over there. Saseni, mko fiti? Oh, wako na smile poa. Yes, we are deep inside Kibera. Hi, how are you? Uko fiti? Do you know this country known as Jamaica?
Yes, I hate.
You hear it? What do you know about Jamaica? Yeah!
Jamaica.
Come here. Come here. What do you know about Jamaica?
Jamaica.
It's
a country.
It's a country.
Yes.
What do you know Jamaica is a country? Anything else you know about Jamaica? The reggae music.
So many people come from Jamaica with reggae.
Did I tell you that most of people from Jamaica are moving into Africa? You can hear from these guys and they are happy. Now, what can you tell someone who is watching from Jamaica?
You just play leggings.
Yeah, play reggae. Can you sing for us one reggae song?
We are from Jamaica.
Hey.
Jamaica.
Hey. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Hi, bro.
Hi.
How are you?
Okay.
What comes to your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
Jamaica.
Yes.
About reggae music.
About reggae music. People here know about reggae music. Can you give us like 3 artists from Jamaica?
Peter Tosh.
Yes, Peter Tosh. Uh-huh.
Peter McIntosh and Bob Marley. Barney Spear.
Yes. Okay, can you sing for us one reggae song?
Natural Mystic. No.
Hataki kuimba huyo. The vibe. Hi mami. Uko fiti? Unakaa poa? Hebu waambie hi. Hi mami. How are you? He is busy at work, man. She is busy at work, sorry. So let's keep on. Habari zenu?
Mkoaje? Mkopoa?
You tired?
Guys, I'm just out. Woo, look at this.
It's a rat race. Oh, that's a rat race.
What? Oh, another one is there. Look. It's a coming.
Do you think they are scared? They're not scared, imagine.
Why?
They're used to.
You'll be scared.
You see, you're scaring it and it's like,
It's not going anywhere.
Whatever. What are you trying to do?
Hey, people from this place are just a vibe, man. So let's keep on walking. I hope you're enjoying the video. Make sure to subscribe. Hey, habari zenu? Hey, ngoja. Oh, Rastafarian, come here. Mko fiti? Bro, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
What comes to mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
Jamaica.
Now I've gotten someone who is talking about weed. Anything else you know about Jamaica? I'm coming to you, bro. Yes.
I'm waiting.
You are waiting?
Yeah.
Come, bro. We have not finished. Oh, he is working. He is working. He is working.
I'm not
You have an editor there. So what about weed? What else?
Reggae music.
Oh, people know about reggae music. Yeah. So can you sing for us one reggae music?
No, I'm not fluent in singing reggae music, but
This guy is
check this guy.
Oh, bro, how are you?
Brilliant guy.
These guys are Rastafarian like me, man. What comes to mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
Jamaica. Money, pussy, and weed. Yeah.
Can you repeat again?
Money, pussy, and weed. Yeah.
Anything else?
Anything else, me, I don't have anything. As long as I have money and pussy and ganja, weed, I have nothing else to talk about.
Can you give us like 5 artists from Jamaica?
5 artists.
Uh-huh.
Conscious, Cartel, Chronic, Minvago, ai wengi, Jakiwa, nani, Smart, Kibera.
What's the real Jamaican?
Can you sing for us one reggae song? Tuonjeshe tu kalaini kamoja.
What you say, man?
You know how to go?
Oh, the Rasta man.
Wow. Hi, mommy. Hi. You look beautiful. Hi, mommy. Nakaa poa. Hi. You know Jamaica? No. You don't know a country known as Jamaica?
I know.
You know it? What comes to your mind when you hear the word Jamaica? This girl is so beautiful, man. She is like my sister.
Thank you.
What comes to your mind when you hear the word Jamaica? Wasalimia waambie hi.
Hi.
Hi, this lady is so cute. Hi, mommy. I have to take her but ni mzungu.
Nawapea pesa.
You guys, you look good.
you must pay me. You must pay me. When you're taking my vote, you must pay me.
I'm talking to those beautiful
And
ladies.
also I'm talking to you. You have to pay me.
Why?
Why should you take my vote?
No, I have not taken your vote.
I have to right.
I've not-
Okay, this one.